Someone sent a message in our DM and it says, hey, I really need your help on Intel your HD. Okay, does it mean integrated graphics card? Now, that's a very good question. And I love such kinds of questions which actually probe me to answer such technical questions. To give you a simple answer, Intel has graphics cards embedded, that is as part of the CPU, okay? Unfortunately, Intel hawananga dedicated graphics cards, and that means graphics cards zote zenye wamewaitengeneza za laptops hadi wa leo zinakuanga integrated, okay? In fact, to put it simply, there are two kinds of graphics cards from Intel. Integrated, which all of them zinakuanga kwa laptop, na dedicated are meant for desktop. That part was distorted as I was editing this video, so I need a new phone to handle such multitasking that I do. Hey, because the level of multitasking that this phone goes through is crazy. Okay, so I'll have to redo this video, that part again. Let's take time to understand the types of integrated graphics cards in laptops. So we have several models or even series of integrated graphics cards in laptops. We have the older models, okay, and the second series is what we call the HD, which I don't need to go to the internet to find out what it is. The HD ideally means high definition, okay. It can only support media up to 1080 pixels. That is the resolution. Now you have the third series of graphics cards from Intel, that is the UHD, which this person has asked. The UHD is an improvement of the HD, which is the Ultra HD. It can support 2K or 4K media. That is kind of watch movie or even video in 2K or 4K. Such resolution can be supported by the UHD, okay? And finally, we have the modern graphics cards, which we call the Intel Iris. Yes. The special thing about this Intel Iris, these are the modern graphics cards and they perform better and they display better graphics than the UHD. All these graphics cards that I've talked about zinakuanga integrated, okay? Hakuna laptop. Unfortunately, Intel doesn't make dedicated graphics cards especially for Intel. Bado hajaanza kutengeneza hizo vitu, okay? The dedicated series of graphics cards that they have right now, they are meant purely for desktops, okay? And the models are called Intel Arc, okay? These are graphics cards that are independent. They have fans, they are complete, like, and they compete with NVIDIA and AMD, okay? They are complete. They are meant for heavy tasks and heavy, high intensive, graphic intensive tasks, okay? I hope that answers your question. Hakuna dedicated graphics cards for Intel. But these are some of the things that we'll talk about in the near future, as we'll be talking about graphics cards meant for different professions and even different tasks. Make sure that you follow us.